Welcome to you in this video, guys. So today I am showing you that how you can add modes in your GTA 5 game, and also you can import vehicles from your list here, and you will also get automatically added vehicles list in this menu. So when you added this successfully, and you have to press F8 to open the menu. You can see here I press F8 and the menu is opened in the front of screen. So here you can import all your vehicles which you saved, and players, and you can also teleport anywhere by selecting landmarks and so on. So you can also get weapons from here. You can change weather and time also. Object spawner is also available, and you can also set animations to make any story. Like here I am showing you a meteor. You can see. So I'm turning off this now. So you can see I will also show you which a spawn of vehicle here. So let's spawn let's spawn a car here. Supercars, you can see a list of cars. You can also see images in the side. All the cars we will choose randomly and spawn it. Okay, so we spawn this one. You can see car is spawned. So nowadays a lot of people searching that how they can add modes, and they are facing a lot of problems. So now I got all the important files in a zip file. So I am providing you in this video's description to help you about all the files. You do not need any extra file if you got this zip file successfully. So now I am showing you that how you can add this menu bar in your game. So here when you open this PC, and I will provide you this file. So you can see here actually this file is made by me. I mean I collect different files and make a zip file for you. So you can see a file digital hub. So I am providing you this file in video's description, so you can get menu bar just from these files. So there is nothing any difficult task for you. You just have to copy these all files and then paste in your GTA main directory. So you have to paste on here. You can see here all of my GTA 5 game files. You can see here. So you just have to paste here, and when you launch the game after pasting here all these files, so you will successfully get this menu. So now I am show you some more features of this menu like I show you. So let's we span a plane here. Okay, so planes. So I think you definitely get a lot of planes which you have never seen before in this game. Like you can see these planes and this one. some planes images are not available here, so we will expand this one. Okay, this one. So you can see. You can see here, guys, our plane is successfully imported here. Let's land again this plane back to the airport. This is a big plane, so it's very difficult to handle, especially for me because I rarely use planes in this game.
You are flying in restricted airspace. Turn around immediately.
Let's go.
Stop. Oops. So here, let's we spawn any other thing or do any other thing. So let's we spawn weapon. Give all weapons. Right click on this and you can scroll your mouse to. You can see here this. So let's find. Okay. So this one. Now this one. You can also control speed of your character, like you can see here F8 player options. You can change it like about health or super young players. You can see it super young. Okay, so super run. You can see. I think this plane is not real. This is a fake plane. This one is real. Oh my god. We are join. Let's see this. Okay, so I think this is also fake plane. Yes, this is also fake. So let's try another thing here. How to clean work underwater security. So where is plane lander? Shit, man. I don't know what happens. I think it's landed successfully, so let's try another thing. Never wanted level, which I always used to turn on. Current speed. You can also control speed here, and moreover, I forgot that you can see cloud changes. This fog, rain, and so on. So let's use to clear weapon already set vehicle. So I'll show you this one. Here is a very powerful mode, you can see. This one is for TECHNO. So you can see now. This mode is very dangerous. Oh my god. All flames are laughter. But I like this because it's too much. Yeah. Oh no. Sometimes these type of things kill the main character, so I use these all features safely. So okay, thank you guys. You can try, and you can get the file from the description and enjoy this menu. So if you want more videos about these features and want to get a vehicles in this game, so I will help you that how you can do it, and also provide you direct links of the vehicles, so you can comment in the description. And also, if this video proves to you helpful, so please subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends. Thank you.